This week's honored mathematician is Pamela Buchanan Miller. She is currently the middle school guidance counselor, but when she started working at Latin in 1982, she was the 5th grade math teacher. Several years later, she moved to the middle school, where she was part-time 6th grade math teacher and part-time middle school guidance counselor until the guidance counselor role became a full-time position. For many years, she was a math coach for 5th and 6th grade teens that traveled to the Prairie School for an annual middle school math contest, and she continues to help students in math from time to time. A story about her first year at Latin appears in the 125th anniversary of Latin magazine. Well, here's this week's problem. We have a picture 6 inches by 8 inches, and we want to put a border 2 inches wide all the way around the picture. So how many square inches will be in the border? Well, we're going to do this problem 2 ways. And for the first way, the first thing we need to know is the area of the picture. Well, the picture is 6 inches by 8 inches. 6 times 8 is 48, so the picture is 48 square inches. And then we're going to make some marks around it so that we're able to figure out the length and the width of the entire rectangle. And across the top, we have 2 plus 6 plus 2, which makes 10 inches. And across the sides, it's 2 plus 8 plus 2 to make 12 inches. So the entire rectangle is 10 inches by 12 inches for an area of 120 square inches. So if we take the area of the whole thing minus the area of the picture, 120 minus 48, we should be able to get the area of the border. Well, the other method is to just concern ourselves with the border and divide it into rectangles. So we see that each corner is a special rectangle. Each corner is a 2 by 2 square. 2 times 2 is 4. There's 4 of those corners, so the corners all add up to 16 square inches. And then at the top, there's a 2 by 6 rectangle and an identical one at the bottom. 2 by 6 is 12, and 12 plus 12 is 24. And then there's 2 more rectangles that are each 2 inches by 8 inches. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. We add all of those up, and we should get the answer. So we have 2 methods. One involves subtraction, one involves addition. We do the arithmetic. In each one, we get 72 square inches, the answer to this week's problem of the week.